Next we will consider what is transpose matrix. The definition of transpose matrix is that the matrix of order n cross m obtained after interchanging the rows into columns or vice versa of a matrix A, Aij of order n cross n, each called transpose matrix of A, which is denoted by A to the power T or A dash. So here you see that if A matrix is Aij of order n cross n and its transpose matrix is A dash or A to the power T is Cji of order n cross m. Because if we interchange the rows into columns, then its order will be reversed. That means the order of transpose matrix will be n cross m. And if that matrix is Cji, then always you remember that Aij element must be equal to Cji. So here you see that these elements Aij of the matrix A must be equal to Cji of the matrix A transpose. That means here Aij must be equal to Cji. Here you see, for example, if A matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of order 2 cross 3, then its transpose matrix, that is A to the power T, will be first row becomes first column and second row becomes second column. Or you can say first column becomes first row, second column becomes second row, third column becomes third row. So either you interchange row into columns or column into rows. That means I have said vice versa. So if you interchange the rows into columns or columns into rows, then the matrix is called transpose matrix of A and it is of order 3 cross 2. So here you see that suppose if I say I know that Aij is equal to Cji, that means I can say that A12 element must be equal to C21 element. A12 is an element of the matrix A and C21 is an element of its transpose matrix. So it is, what is the A12 element of the matrix A? A12, that is equal to 2. That must be equal to C21 element of A transpose. C21 element is also 2. So A12 must be equal to C21. I can say similarly that A13 element must be equal to C31 element. C31 element. So what is A13 element? A13 is 3. And C31 element of A transpose, that is equal to 3. So this must be equal to Aij must be equal to Cji. So next we will prove some properties of transpose matrix. So next we will consider properties of transpose matrices. So first property is that prove that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. We have to show that these two matrices are equal. When you can say these two matrices are equal, if order of this matrix is equal to order of this matrix and their corresponding elements are same, then we can say that these two matrices are equal. So here you see, first of all we take that let A matrix is equal to Aij of order m cross n and B matrix is equal to Bij of order n cross n. Then A transpose, suppose or let A transpose is equal to Cji of order n cross m and B transpose is equal to Dji of order n cross m. Then here you consider that what is the order of A plus B. Order of A plus B. A and B both are matrices of order m cross n. So order of A plus B is m cross n. What will the order of A plus B whole transpose? It will be reversed. So since the order of A plus B is m cross n, that implies that order of A plus B transpose must be equal to n cross m. N cross m. And again you see that whether it is equal to order of B transpose, order of A transpose plus B transpose. So order of A transpose plus B transpose is also equal to n cross m. Hence we have proved that the order of A plus B whole transpose is equal to order of A transpose plus B transpose. Their order are same. And again we have to prove that their corresponding elements are also same. So here we take that jith element of A plus B whole transpose. We are taking jith element of the matrix A plus B whole transpose. That means the element that belongs to jth row and ith column. So jth row, the element that belongs to jth row and ith column of this matrix A plus B whole transpose must be equal to ijth element of A plus B. Jith element of A plus B whole transpose must be equal to ijth element of A plus B. So what is ijth element of A plus B? That is equal to Aij plus Bij. But here we see that we know that since here A is equal to Aij, A transpose is equal to Cji. So that means here we can say that we know that Aij element must be equal to Cji element by definition. Aij element must be equal to Cji element. Similarly, here we can say that Bij element must be equal to Dji element. So in place of Aij we can substitute Cji, and in place of Bij we can substitute Dji. So Cji plus Dji, it is nothing but it is the jith element of A transpose plus B transpose, that is equal to Cji plus Dji. That means here we have proved that jith element of A plus B whole transpose is also equal to the jith element of A transpose plus B transpose. So their corresponding elements are same, their order are same. So we have proved that always A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. We will consider that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. These two matrices are same or equal. So for that we take that let A matrix is equal to matrix Aij of order m cross n, and B matrix is equal to Bjk of order n cross p. Then only your AB is defined, because the number of columns of A matrix is n, number of rows of B matrix is n, so they are equal. Hence AB is defined. What is the order of AB? Order of AB will be m cross p. Again we will take that let A transpose is equal to Cji of order n cross m, and B transpose is the matrix Dkj of order p cross m. So naturally by definition Aij element must be equal to Cji element, and Bjk element must be equal to Dkj element by definition. So first we will show that the order of AB transpose is equal to order of B transpose into A transpose. So tell me, what is the order of AB? Order of AB is nothing but m cross p. So this implies that order of AB whole transpose must be equal to P cross M, must be equal to P cross M. That is B transpose, again B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose is defined or not? Yes. Because the number of columns of B transpose is n, number of rows of A transpose is n, so B transpose into A transpose is defined, and it is of order P cross M, P cross M. So here we have shown that order of B transpose into A transpose is equal to order of AB whole transpose. Hence their order are same. Again we have to prove that their corresponding elements are same. So we will take kith element of the matrix AB whole transpose. Kith element of AB whole transpose. So kith element of AB whole transpose must be equal to ikth element of AB. So what is ikth element of AB? By definition it is summation j varies from 1 to n Aij into Bjk. But we know that Aij element is same as Cji element, and Bjk element is equal to Dkj element, And again here you see that since the product of any two numbers is always commutative, that means if mn are two numbers, so m into n is always equal to n into m. Product of numbers is always commutative, so I can say Cji into dkj is always equal to dkj into Cji. So it is same as summation j varies from 1 to n, Cji dkj is equal to summation j varies from 1 to n dkj into Cji. So what is this thing? It is nothing but it is the kith element of B transpose into A transpose. Summation j varies from 1 to n dkj Cji, that represents the kith element of B transpose into A transpose. So finally we have proved that kith element of AB whole transpose is same as kith element of B transpose into A transpose. So their corresponding elements are same, their orders are same. So we can say AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Similarly, if I ask you that what is the value of ABC whole transpose, so that is equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Always you remember that ABC whole transpose, similarly that is equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. That's all.